This is how you create an email signature for yourself, for your clients, or for somebody else. And the first thing you need to do is to go to cloudhq.net. Once you're there, sign up. You will be prompted to sign up using your email address. This time you're going to use Gmail. Once you've signed up, you log in using the email that you signed up with. Then you'll be taken to your dashboard. And once on the dashboard, it will give you all the installed CloudHQ apps. And if you haven't installed any, to show you the available apps that you can install, like the ones below. In this case, we are looking for an app or a Chrome extension called Email Signature Generator, and that's what you're going to install. It's once you click on it, it will take you to Chrome, to the Chrome extension store, so that you can download one. So the best thing you're going to do here is to download that Chrome extension, and once you download it, you click on it. You'll be taken to design my signature or create my signature. You can also create a signature for a team. And once you're there on the left side, there are guidelines. Here you have the details, you have the social profile, you have customize, you have extensions, and so on. So this time we are going to start with details, and on the right you have your email address, the preview of the on the right you have the signature preview, how it's going to look like. So you will start filling in your details, your name, your email, your company, your title, your mobile, your address, your website. And once you're done with that, you click the signature, you move to the next part. You click on the social profiles tab. Once it opens, you fill in all your details: Facebook, Upwork, LinkedIn, Twitter, Pinterest, YouTube, and so on. And if there is one that is not here, you can click on add another. You click on that. And when it pops up, you choose one from these. You may choose WhatsApp number that you want people to call you with. You may choose your WordPress handle. You may choose your Amazon handle. You may choose your Google Drive and whatever. Once you click on it, it's added automatically on the left side. So you can add your number here. If you want to delete it, you can click on that. So once you're done, you click save. Then you go to the next part. This is where you fill in. So this is where you fill in your customization, your brand colors, your font, how you want this details separated. Like now you want the title separated from the website. You may use a vertical bar, you may use a symbol, you may use a new line, you may use space, you may use none. So in this case, I choose a vertical bar. You may choose to have your photo like mine here. You may choose it to be circle, or you may choose it to be by default. So in this case, I've chosen my photo to be shape. You have photo size. You may want it big or small. You can resize using this one. You move this way or you reduce. You can have the icons. You can choose the size of the social icons here. You may decide to increase them or reduce. You can insert a signature on reply or on forward. At the moment people send you an email, you want them to have that signature always, or you may turn this one off. So in this case, I want my email signature on the replies and on the forward emails. Then you come to this part where you add extensions. You can add a link to your calendar so people book a meeting. You can add a link to a video, a YouTube video, your favorite YouTube video that you want people to be watching. You can add a disclaimer. You can add your affiliate link like this one here. And once you're done again, you click on save. So because your CloudHQ is linked to your email address, this one is going to show up automatically on your email. So the moment you start sending emails, it's going to be there. Thank you.